how to get in trouble, or what not to do. I have just started a lifestyle content creation business with the goal of more or less deducting my entire lifestyle from my W-2 taxes that I receive from working for a large public corporation. I am looking for help to think creatively about my business model to legitimize the tax deductions. For example, I plan to lease a car and shoot content from within the car, putting the content on YouTube to collect ad revenue but also to drive traffic to a paid program selling an educational course. I know I could deduct those drives where I record content as a business cost. But what about other expenses? For example, if I were to go out to eat and record an interview at the dinner table with a friend and post it on YouTube, could I deduct the dinner as a business expense because it is part of the operation of my business? Or for example, if I were to purchase a watch as a marketing expense for my brand, could I deduct it? If not, if I were to advertise the watch and then sell it, could I count it as inventory and then deduct it? How about if it is just a prop in my content? I am very open-minded to creative solutions, and so I am looking for someone to help me think through this to deduct more or less whatever it is that I want to spend money on. I want to hire someone this year to take advantage of 2023, and I plan to continue in 2024.